What's up, boys school staff? A couple of you guys were asking about Pear Deck. I'm going to run through real quick what it looks like. A couple ways you can do this. If you don't already have Pear Deck on your Google Slides, you're going to go add-ons, and then you'll have to like get add-ons, and then it should be the first one that pops up, Pear Deck. After you have it, though, all you're going to do is you're going to go open Pear Deck add-on. It's going to pop up this cool window over here. There's a few ways that you can create a Pear Deck. If it wants to go really, really slowly for us. So you can add all these like cool features. One thing you could do is use like their template library. It'll do like a beginning of lesson. So you can do your do nows on here, during lesson questions, end of lesson. It's really cool because the beginning of the lesson automatically like puts in a question for you. You just need to edit the slide, obviously. And then during the lesson, you can check in on how kids are doing. Like, do you understand what we're doing? Yes, I'm okay, or no. Then you can individually check in with those kids. You can have them make mind maps. Here's like what we're doing now. Next, we're going to do this, and then finally, you'll answer questions or whatever. This is one that I use. For this activity, you're going to log into Google Classroom. Step 2, you're going to open the Common Lit, and then Step 3, you'll answer analysis questions. You can give them stretch breaks, whatever you want to do. And these slides are really cool because they are automatically built in, like with the question that you want. So let's just say you want to do a do now. Sorry, it's loading really slowly. So you would give them this slide. Let's say you would type in your do now, your questions, maybe some vocab or something for them. So it'll look like this. I'm going to show you really quickly what it'll look like on their end. So from their end, basically, give me one sec here. Gotta get this thing out of the way. From their end, it'll look like a normal slide, like in the top left here. This is the teacher view, obviously. But it'll be the full slide here, and they'll just have this little answer slide on the side where they'll answer the do now. So you can see like my other slides, I have today's agenda on here, and then they'll answer a prompt like, I'm feeling really great about what we're doing today. I'm kind of confused about what we're doing today, or I have no clue, I need to check in. And then for like 7th grade, my final slide is write a brief summary about what you did today and how you would explain it to another student. So it's really cool. It's really interactive. While they're doing the do now, all of these all of their prompts, or their responses rather, like pop up in real time, so I can literally watch them type in there. So I time them just like normal, and then give them 5 minutes, and then we discuss for a while. It's really cool. I have it set up so that right when they log into Google Classroom, they go to their Pear Deck and they begin working. And obviously this will be a routine that we start to develop, and I think it's going to be really great. It's really simple. Play around with it. Last thing, obviously you can use their slides, which are already set up, or like for this 8th grade one, I just use my own slides that I would normally use with them, and then I use this sidebar to add. So you'd have like your own slide, and then you'd go over here and like insert question, and then it creates the slide like that. Super simple. Reach out if you have questions.